Hi everyone, can't hear sound during calls on your Android phone. Don't worry, here are some easy fixes. Step 1. Increase call volume. First, make a call and press the volume up button. Sometimes the call volume is too just low. Step 2. Turn off Bluetooth. Go to settings, Bluetooth and turn it off. Your call sound may be connected to earbuds or another device. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now restart your phone. This can fix small sound problems. Step 4. Check speaker and microphone. Clean the speaker and microphone area gently. Dust can block sound during calls. Step 5. Turn off speaker mode. If speaker mode is on, turn it off and test the call again. Step 6. Update your phone. Go to settings, software update, and install any available update. Step 7. Reset network settings. If still not working, go to settings, reset, reset network settings. And that's it. These steps should fix no sound during calls on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy teach tips.